exclusively for meat eaters. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today we take a look at the Air Force 270 Air Carnivore. Now, the Air Force 270 has seen a couple colorways released based off of classic Nikes. We have the Air Force 270 Safari based off of the Air Safari colorway, and going down the line we have a Command Force colorway coming out, and this colorway is no different. The Air Force 270 Carnivore draws inspiration from the Air Carnivore from the mid-90s, which is one of my favorite shoes of all time. Like, a lot of people don't really like it, but it's just one of those aggressive shoes that I've always been a fan of. Now let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Nike box. The color code is black and court purple. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a black suede upper with neoprene detailing and this giant Air Force 270 overlay. On the toe, you've got a black suede, and it's a decent suede. The Air Force 270 line thus far hasn't disappointed me in terms of quality. Like I said in the Air Force 270 medium olive review, it's never been amazing, crazy suede. It's a decent quality suede. Moving up the tongue, you have a green neoprene tongue with the midfoot strap with the zebra print design, which is taken straight from the midsole of the Air Carnivore, with black laces and the purple stripe going up the black tongue. And you also have the court purple Nike swoosh right on the tongue tag. The insole is black with the white Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got the giant white Air Force 270 overlay with a court purple Nike swoosh. And you also have black suede overlay panels and the green neoprene tongue kind of peeking out just a little bit. On the heel, you've got the green heel panel, which is neoprene, and you have purple lining. Also, you have the Air Force 270 back tab, which says Air Force 270 in white on a court purple back tab. Towards the medial, you have the giant overlay, as well as the rest of the forefoot strap, and the green neoprene tongue peeking out, as well as the black suede overlays. The midsole is just kind of like off-white, and you have a black outsole with the court purple Nike Air Max 270 bubble. Overall, I'm a fan of the colorway. Like I said before, the Air Carnivore is one of my favorite shoes of all time. So the Air Force 270 has a place in my heart just off of that. But it's also a very solid colorway nonetheless. Like, if the Air Carnivore colorway had never come out, I would still be a fan of this shoe just because it's weird, different, and very ugly. Like, I don't know, it's just one of those shoes that I'm just a fan of. I can't really explain it. Like, there's no reason why this zebra stripe should be here, but at the same time, I love it. I don't know what it is. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump.
Little.
Air Force 270 Air Carnivore hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 18th for a retail price of $160. Alright everyone, this has been another Sole Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Sole Post channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John from Sole Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.